The Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation (MSRDC) in its recent authority meeting approved the much-awaited Kaga-Turbhe connectivity project comprising elevated road and tunnel, said an official, requesting confidentiality. As a second step, the State Infrastructure Committee, led by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, will table the proposal of the project for approval. Once accepted, a detailed project report (DPR) will be prepared and tenders will be floated, he explained. The total cost of the project is pegged at 1,222 crore rupees. Of this, 300 crore rupees will be contributed by CIDCO, 150 crore rupees by MIDC and MSRDC each, and remaining 622 crore rupees will be borrowed, said the official. The project cost will be recovered by charging the toll. Interestingly, on the new road no heavy vehicles will be allowed to ply. However, tunnel length is of 9 meters and trucks, containers and other heavy vehicles can pass if in future the road is proposed to be connected with the NH4. CIDCO with this new connectivity wants to develop the Central Park at Kaga from tourism point. Besides this, the layout opposite Central Park it wished to develop as a corporate park. Therefore, more vehicles are expected to use the route in future, said the official. The proposed 6-lane 5.4 kilometers of Kaga-Turbhe highway will consist 3 of elevated road and 2.5 kilometers of tunnel. Once ready, the new highway will be used by commuters who are currently using Thane-Belapur and Sion-Panvel highway. The route will also connect Vashi-Kaga, Taloja node of CIDCO. Over the years, the number of cars and people in Navi Mumbai has seen exponential growth. This has eventually led to the need for an alternative for public transportation option, as the current Sion-Panvel expressway is unable to handle the crowd. Keeping this in mind, the state government has decided to construct an alternate road. The 8-lane tunnel will save 2 hours of traveling for the commuters and will also assist in managing the daily traffic on the Sion-Panvel expressway. This planned expressway is used by Belapur-Thane commuters and also the ones who commute between Pune and Mumbai. This causes long traffic jams during the peak hours in the morning and evening, leading to a time-consuming journey for the passengers heading to Pune, Nashik and Goa. To solve this issue, the state government asked the CIDCO and Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation (MIDC) to assist the Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation (MSRDC). CIDCO and MIDC will help the MSRDC in providing the available land for the road or in the process of acquisition of land. The government also directed to CIDCO and MIDC to share the financial burden of construction of the road. The work on the feasibility of the connecting road and the tunnel is under progress. As the feasibility report completes, the further formalities of inviting global tender and others will start, said Port Minister Eknath Shinde. The Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation has chalked out a plan to develop a 6-lane elevated road between Kaga and Turbhe in Navi Mumbai at an investment of 1,222 crore rupees. The road will be a 5.4 km stretch, of which 2.5 km will be a tunnel. Of the total project cost, 305 crore rupees will be funded by the City Industrial and Development Corporation, CIDCO, and 153 crore rupees each by the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, MIDC, and the MSRDC. The remaining 50% of 611 crore rupees will be procured through loans. The project will save travel time between Kaga and Turbe by 15 to 30 minutes. MSRDC has stated that there is a need for an alternate route as the Sion-Panvel highway is unable to handle the traffic volume, and the road will also be used by commuters traveling via the Thane-Belapur stretch. The official informed, the road going towards Kaga will land near Central Park from where the National Highway, NH4, is just 2 kilometers at a distance.